am Laurie Matthews, and I'm here with 2 students today. I have one student that is 4.5 years old, and his name is Holden. Can you give the camera a wave real fast? Hey. And this is Jackson, a 3rd grader who's almost 9 years old. And this is take 2 because our iPad did not have enough gigabytes. So we got halfway through it, and we're starting over again. So, boys, let's talk about something. Air. Who's ever heard of the word air before?
Me.
All right. So, where do we know air is?
Around the earth, and it comes in people's mouth and outside in clouds.
And Jackson, what else?
That's basically what I said.
That was what Jackson said the first time. What did you say the first time? Do you remember? Air is what? You said it comes in the air conditioning?
Yes.
Remember? All right. So you know that air comes for air conditioning and comes in the house, right? All right. Name some stuff that we have to have for our bodies to live.
Air.
Air, of course.
And water.
And water.
To keep us alive.
And food.
And keep us air, water. To keep us alive, the water to keep us alive, but if we don't, then we'll die.
That's right. Okay, so we said the one special word that starts with an A, and it is air. That's what keeps us alive. Okay, so how does air keep us alive? What do we have to do with air for us to breathe it? So we breathe it so it goes where?
In our lungs.
In our mouth and in our lungs. Very good. So
and then it goes in our tummy.
You got that right.
And then it goes in our belly.
I know. So here I have a birthday candle. All right. I want you to pretend this is lit. Blow on it. All right. What did you use if it was lit to blow it out? Did you spit on it? Yep. And what would you use if it was lit?
Air to blow it.
Okay, so nobody would use a water gun, right?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
And nobody would step on it, right?
Unless you were having a water gun birthday party.
That's true. All right. So we know that this candle, if it was lit, that we would need to use air to make it go out. Let me have that before you burn yourself. All right. Now, I have a box here. It's a little shoe box, correct?
It's not. That's it, isn't it?
There's nothing in the box, all right? And this is what we're going to learn about today, is there's nothing in my box here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my box and I'm going to close it up, okay? Did you see me sneak anything in the box?
No.
Are you sure? Okay. Well, now, I'm going to start taping it.
We learned this 100 times.
You learned this 100 times. Well, you know what? The more I do it, I bet the smarter you will get. What do you think?
And the more you will remember it.
That is exactly right, because if you do it over and over and over again, you will remember it. All right, so I'm closing up my box here. All right, making it tight, tight, tight. All right, let me close this part up here.
Now, so you kind of need to do a little bit on the back side.
Did I miss it on the back?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go back around with it. Make sure. Oops, I missed it on this side too, Jackson. All right, so pushing down here, pushing down, sealing it off, sealing it off. All right. So.
I have to shake it.
Okay, hold on one second. Did anybody see me put anything in the box?
Yes.
You saw me put something in the box. What did I put in here?
Because that's the only 3 things that you can put in.
Right, Jack, did you see me put anything in there?
No.
All right, hold on. I want you to shake the box for me.
I hear something.
What?
A birthday cake.
Okay. Jackson, will you shake it for me? Anything you hear rattling in there?
No.
Okay. So, what we're going to do is I want to see if this box, this empty box, can blow out this candle.
I mean, heard about 1, 2 times.
Okay. Can this candle be blown out by an empty box?
I guess so. Yeah.
You say yes or you guess so. Jackson, yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's try it to see if you're right.
I'm going to do it.
All right. So I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to tap the box to see.
Come on, bring it to my ear.
Ready?
Well, if you're going to bring it to right there, then you would have to back up.
Okay. What happened here?
It blew out the candle.
It blew out the candle.
It blew out. Air went.
He's speaking.
Air blew out the candle.
Air blew out the candle. Now, I have a question for Jackson. Okay, hold on to your question. My tap, what did it do to the volume of the box? Did it change the shape of the box?
No.
Okay.
Did it change the size?
It didn't change the size. Did it get, so we know it didn't get smaller, and I didn't open it, right? So what did the tap do to my box?
Blew out the candle. Air out.
Okay.
Blew out the candle.
Okay, now he thinks when I push down here, did it make the box go wider?
No.
Okay, what did it make it do?
Blew out the candle.
It did blow out the candle, but what did the pushing down here do to the box? If I push
It made
down,
the air come out of the box.
the force did exactly right. Now, did it make the box smaller for just a second by going in when I tapped it?
No. It made blow out the candle.
Okay. Now, who thinks I can hold the candle farther away from the box and it still blows it out?
I think it'll do it.
Okay, so let's try. Let's see how far we can get.
If I do it from right here, so I can get playing.
All right, so let's do it way over here. You count down with me?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Ruh-roh, Raggy.
I went think. I got you.
Okay, so let's do this.
One more time.
Now, I'm going to try it from about here. Please do not blow it out. Yes, ma'am. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Press harder.
Who thinks if I press harder it'll work?
Yeah, you gotta press it.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Now, let me just go a little bit closer. 3, 2, 1. What's happening? Let's go a little bit closer. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
All right. So now, what did we notice when I held the candle farther away from the box?
It didn't do it.
It didn't do it.
The air wasn't powerful enough to go all the way back there.
Okay. Now, was the air not powerful enough, or was my tap not powerful enough?
Tap.
Now, I thought I was tapping it pretty hard. I wasn't just going like this, like I'm tapping a drum. I was smashing down on it, right?
Yes.
So, who thinks that maybe there wasn't enough air in the box, in my tap, to blow it out?
I think it was your tap.
Okay, now, let's try this one more time. I'm going to do this with just a light tap and see if it happens. Let's make it a little bit closer. I'm just going to lightly tap it.
Oh, let's get to the Good job!
What's happening each time I tap it?
And more air comes out of the box.
Yep.
And Mommy, you said
right, and so does it have a way to get air back in there?
no.
Not necessarily.
Yes, it does, because it has a
Or it
hole.
does, because it has a hole. And can air get back in through that hole?
Yes.
Good.
It's just that air doesn't have time to get in there because you tap it really fast.
Very good. All right, so let me tell you a quick thing, and then we'll be done with our lesson for today. All right. Let me get my questions back up here. So the shoebox had what inside of it?
A 0.
It had
Air.
air inside of it. Good. And by tapping on it, the air was forced through what? Was it forced through the red tape? No.
It was through the hole.
It was forced through the hole. Very good. All right. Blowing a candle flame out, just like when we pucker up our lips. Go like this. That's like the hole here, and we go, do it. So when I tapped it, I was making it like your mouth. Here's the hole, and I went, correct? All right, good. By tapping the box, the volume of it suddenly becomes smaller. All right, for a short moment, and the actions force the air out of this hole. Did you know that? All right. We learned today by doing this activity that air is what? Jackson, tell me what air is.
Around the earth.
Around the earth. That's one thing. You'll let Jackson answer.
It is a gas that surrounds our earth that helps us breathe and stay alive.
Good. So is air just outside?
No, it's inside.
Is it just in our body?
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere around the earth. It's in outer space and around the moon, around the sun, and around the planet.
Yep. So do we need air every day?
Yes.
Could we use an empty box to blow out a candle?
Yes.
Jackson?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
It's because the box has air in it.
And because air is all around us.
Yes.
All right? Very good. High fives. High fives. Good job, guys.